What's up, guys? Okay, so today I finally get to say what I've been so excited for. Arion has been wonderful, they've been great, their filament is phenomenal, but I found something that works just a little better. And by just a little bit, I mean it actually works a lot better. The cleanup is a lot smoother. The print is phenomenal. Like, I don't have anything to show you yet because I've been testing it. But after this video, after this, what I'm about to announce, I'm going to make my entire personal Mandalorian suit that I'm applying for the 501st with this new material. So, who is it? The company that I am now going to be working strictly with, only for my personal use, for people that I make stuff with, just because of the quality of it, is Sandos. And if you guys haven't tried this company yet, you have to try it. They're a newer company, a newer filament company, but their filament, they only have filament right now, but they have all the colors you need. They have PLA Plus, they have PLA, TPU, they have everything. I've only worked with their PLA and their PLA Plus. And their PLA Plus, very, very good. I just like my standard PLA, that's what this is, and I couldn't be happier. This stuff is amazing. The cleanup is phenomenal. The print quality, Arion is really good, but you know how much I loved Arion. I had it everywhere. If I'm switching, there's a reason, and this stuff it's absolutely amazing. You gotta try it, guys. If you want to try it, just like with Arion, use code AWESOME for 10% off. Thank me later. Right now, what I'm doing is I'm using a yellow. They have a ton in stock right now, so I wanted to try it because I've never personally made anything other than small figurines with yellow. So I'm going to use yellow, and I'm going to build my personal Mando that I'm applying for the 501st, as I said, with this. So tune in, check out Sandos. Once again, Sandos, thank you guys so much. I reached out to them after trying their stuff, and I'm really looking forward to everything that I get to build with this awesome filament, guys. So let's make some stuff.